Hi everyone, here is another Kevin's English Schools video. Please like, subscribe and comment, it really helps our channel. Today we learn about two very different questions. Let's break down the difference between what does she like and what is she like, in a way that's easy to understand for beginners. What does she like? This question is asking about a person's preferences or things they enjoy. It helps us find out about the things or activities that make the person happy. For example, she likes pizza, or she likes to play tennis. More examples, what does she like to eat? This asks about the person's food preferences. What does she like to do on the weekends? This asks about her favorite weekend activities. What does she like in terms of movies? This asks about her movie preferences. What is she like? This question is asking for information about a person's characteristics or personality. It helps us learn about the kind of person they are. For example, she is kind, she is funny, she is strict. More examples, what is she like as a friend? This asks about her qualities as a friend, like if she's friendly or supportive. What is she like at school? This asks about her behavior and personality in a school setting. At school she is quiet, or at school she is a good student. What is she like as a teacher? This asks about her teaching style and personality as a teacher. She is strict, or she is kind, or she is patient. In simple terms, what does she like is about the things she enjoys or prefers. What is she like is about her personality and characteristics. Remember, it's important to use the right question to get the information you want. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.